In this video, we'll cover how to automate sales emails in Folk CRM, a powerful tool that simplifies customer relationship management and streamlines communication for sales teams. Whether you're looking to boost your email outreach or automate follow-ups, Folk CRM can save you time and ensure you're connecting with your leads at the right moment. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up email automation in Folk CRM like a pro. Folk CRM allows you to organize your contacts and build relationships effortlessly. If you're new to the software, it helps to know that Folk CRM combines simplicity and power, designed with the needs of small to medium businesses in mind. Now, let's dive into automating your sales emails in Folk CRM. The first step is setting up your contacts in Folk CRM. You'll need to ensure all your lead data is imported or entered into the CRM, either manually or via integrations with other tools. Once you've got all your contacts organized, you'll be ready to start automating emails. To create an email automation sequence, go to the Automations tab in Folk CRM. Here, you can set up specific triggers, such as when a new contact is added or when a lead reaches a certain stage in your sales pipeline. For example, you can create an automated email that's sent whenever someone signs up for your newsletter or downloads a free resource from your website. Next, it's time to create the actual email content. Folk CRM lets you design emails directly in the platform, or you can use integrations with tools like MailChimp to sync your campaigns. The drag and drop editor is simple, allowing you to customize your email templates without any coding knowledge. Once you've crafted your sales emails, it's important to set the right timing for your automations. You can define when the email should go out based on specific actions or time delays. For example, if a contact opens your first email, you can trigger a follow-up email a few days later. Or if they haven't opened your email, you can automatically resend the message after a week. A key feature in Folk CRM is the ability to personalize your emails. By using merge tags, you can automatically insert the recipient's name, company, or other relevant details into the email, which helps increase engagement. Personalization is vital for sales emails, as it makes your message feel more tailored and relevant to the individual recipient. As you set up your email automations, don't forget to track your performance. Folk CRM provides analytics on open rates, click-through rates, and response times, so you can adjust your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. By continuously refining your automations, you'll improve your outreach and increase your chances of converting leads into customers. Now, here's a pro tip for using Folk CRM effectively. Combine your email automation with tasks and reminders. For instance, after sending an automated sales email, you can create a task to follow up manually in case the lead doesn't respond. This ensures you're never missing an opportunity to engage. With these steps, you can start automating your sales emails in Folk CRM to save time and drive results. If you want to try out Folk CRM for yourself, we've got an exclusive offer for you. Use the link in the description below to get a free trial with extra bonuses. By using Folk CRM, you'll be able to streamline your email outreach, improve follow-up efficiency, and close more deals faster. Don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial and explore all the powerful features Folk CRM has to offer. Thanks for watching, and good luck automating your sales emails.